Dr. Albert Schweitzer said that an example is not the main thing in influencing others, it is the only thing.
My name is Mohsen Zakaib, a medical student at the Brody School of Medicine as well as a Schweitzer Fellow, and alongside my project partner Alilyah Young, who is also a student at Brody School of Medicine as well as a Schweitzer Fellow. We created and launched the Health Pals Project, a project dedicated to increasing the medical literacy amongst the refugee populations here in Greenville, North Carolina. We measured this primary goal of increasing health literacy in the enrolled adult refugee population through validated health literacy questionnaires and surveys. In addition, a secondary goal that we had was to impact positive health behavior changes, and we tracked these using self-selected healthy behavior goals that the refugees filled out at the beginning of the program.
We partnered with Interfaith Refugee Ministry, the only major refugee organization serving in Eastern North Carolina, and they connected us with local refugee families that had been here less than 2 years. We also partnered with the Islamic Association of Eastern North Carolina and St. Timothy's Episcopal Church as locations to hold most of our project events. Our original approach to this project included doing 7 wellness workshops and 6 social events. To begin our project, last summer, we visited each refugee family at their home, and we learned their stories.
After meeting with each refugee family and also incorporating their feedback into the programming, we decided to conduct 7 workshops, each with its own health topic coupled with a social activity for the refugee families.
Hi, my name is Farid Ali. I am an anesthesiologist. I served for 25 years, helping other refugees and worked in collaboration with non-profit organizations.
My name is Zara Ali. I taught English as a second language in my home country. I helped the Health Pals project by volunteering to teach English to the other Syrian refugees.
My name is Fatima Ali. I am a high school senior and Mohsen and Aliyah helped me get into college.
The Ali family was just one of the families we worked with. We worked with many others. In spite of the tragic circumstances that brought them to America, we were able to make a difference in their lives. Let's have a look at the events we did this year.
We partnered up with In Her Vision to conduct a free eye clinic for the refugee families.
The work they did has provided a model and examples of ways to engage and educate the clients that we serve. Our goal is always to help them integrate into their new communities.
Using this model of mixed social and educational workshop, we intend to establish a club called REACH at ECU School of Medicine and expand it to our sister schools, including the dental school and nursing program. We will continue once-monthly events with local community members. With our club, we will create a website that will host a library of local resources, such as local clinics with providers that speak Spanish or Arabic. As we reach forward into the future and continue our awareness, We leave you with this quote: "Progress happens at the speed of trust." A fellow for life at our Schweitzer retreat last year said this. We encourage you to listen to people's stories. You can learn so much about resilience, determination, and what life is truly about by talking to people that seem different from you. Together, we can broaden our reach.
شكرا هالبلاد.
I am Ahmed Abdelberk Al-Fakouri. I'm a Syrian refugee, came to United States like 8 months. I want to give a special thanks to Health Plus program.
Thanks for letting us come to this event and connect with the community. We met a lot of wonderful refugees and had some delicious food. Thank you so much for the event. Yeah, it was awesome.
شكرا برنامج هيلث باز استفدنا منه كثير.